online. Hello everyone, and today we will learn how to play the song Till There Was You from The Music Man. In this first tutorial we will learn the first part of this song, and part 2 is on the website. Please see it. Alright, so we'll begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with first finger on E. Second is on F, then G, then again E, F, then G, first is on F, fifth is on C, A, G, F, fifth is on B, B flat, and A, and then again repeat the beginning. First is on F, then C, A, third is on G, F, Okay, so this is the first part for the right hand. Now let's look at the left hand. Left hand begins with fifth finger on C. So we go C, G, and C. Now fifth is on C sharp, then E, B flat, D, together A flat and C, then F and A flat, now together C and G, then E flat and G flat, fingers 2 and 3, then D and F, fingers 4 and 1, and together G and F, 5 and 1. So this is a repeat from the beginning. And F and A flat. G and F. Alright, so now we'll combine hands together. Right hand comes in with first finger on E, and left hand is ready to come in with fifth finger on C. together, together, right hand E, F, and together left hand fifth on D, right hand third on G. Together left hand A flat and C, right hand third is on G. C, together, together left hand G and F, B, A, G, left hand C sharp, right hand third on G. Together left hand fingers 4 and 2 on E flat and G flat, right hand fifth on B. G, F and A, Okay, so this is it for the first part of the song Till There Was You from The Music Man. Enjoy practicing and please see the website for part 2.